Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sir Wayne. At kung kayo ay nag-enjoy sa ating last adventure kung saan binisita natin ang biggest square sa buong mundo at pinaka-historic na square sa buong China, ang Tiananmen Square, this time ay pupunta tayo sa isang bagong adventure para mag-grocery shopping dito sa Beijing, China. Tara! So guys, since we can't find any convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Lawson's in our area, we are going to do some supermarket or grocery here at the basement 2 of Silk Street. Okay, this is their supermarket. So, okay, we're gonna check out some good items here. This one, we had this from Japan. So cosmetics. Okay, so these are the prices. This is Chinese New Yuan. Coffee. Lahat ng kailangan niya nandito. Ayan. Chopsticks, utensils, plate, chinaware, and may lace, snacks. So if you don't know where to buy your food, you can go here at the basement 2 of Silk Street. There's also a subway station down below, which is what's the name of the subway station? Zhong'anli Station. Zhong'anli Station. What's this? Peach blossom. Mark. Ako nito. Parang milkies, di ba? Creamy. Yeah. Yeah. Evian. Okay. So you can actually purchase a lot of things here. Pokemon drinks. Pokemon drinks. So it's at 7 and 0.99 yuan. And this is milk tea. Spam. What's that? Rice, you can actually buy rice here. In fact, you can also buy some pasalubong, but this is not the place where you buy pasalubong for your friends and loved ones, you know. In Shicha Hai, right? Shicha Hai, there's plenty of shops where you can buy pasalubong there. Snacks and chocolate. Mini Choco Fretta. Chestnut. much is the oishi here? 640. Yogurt? Is this yogurt? Spicy. Milk.
因为我这都经常买这些奶酪都有。
So, this one? Huh? Or milk to? Mas mura yata ito. This 8 yuan. Parang ang laki. Anyway, ano naman? One lang? Yogurt. Here's no fermented. Sige. Yogurt. They have yogurt, but it's a lot. Coarse bread. Cake. Steak. Unicorn cake. Donuts. Macaroons. But it's 49. Nuts. May tinapay na tayo dyan. Pistachio, that's 49. Fruits on that side. What's that? Fruit? Ito, oh nga eh. No, but yeah, I think you have to cook it first. This is liver. Chicken. Boiled? Parang gano'n, no? Diba? Yeah, I think you have to cook it first. Okay. Yep. Oh, they have also food here. Mga food. Yeah, so these, I think these are ready to eat. Ready to eat. Snacks. Ano eh, parang hopya eh. Of course, dim sum. Sashimi. What's this so cute? Japanese. Sushi.
Pwede na ba itong breakfast?
Pwede. Ito sa ref naman eh. Mochi. Yay!
Hindi ba ito na nagluto?
Hindi na. Ito ref lang.
Ito, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Oo. Ito, ham for Christmas. I see. That's why there's a lot of foreigners who buys here kasi may mga international na products. There's eggs cost 30.99 for organic. I think this is organic. And premium eggs. Okay, but for those ordinary, it's 26 down to 21.
还是那儿对吧？
Yeah.
龙的。
So there. Tomato. Ano, it's apple. Apple ba yun? Longan. Lemon and banana. Banana. Wala, maliit isa lang peraso. Wala. Banana. Wala. Hey. Huwag na, sige. All good. Ah. So we're now paying our bill. They provide plastic. It's actually a good type of plastic. But unfortunately, we usually have our own eco bag. Pero since we're on a different country, hindi namin siya dala, diba? And we're gonna pay Alipay. So how much did I pay? I paid 182 Chinese yuan for this grocery items. Smart.
Wow guys, that was such a fun and unique grocery adventure dito sa Beijing. Ang daming interesting finds from the fresh produce to the local snacks and seafood, ibang level talaga. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-explore ng grocery scene with me, don't forget to like, subscribe at i-hit ang bell icon para updated kayo sa susunod nating adventures. See you on the next one guys. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.